Hi, it's Ellen from Glowforge. The Glowforge community is working together to save 2 million ears. Visit glowforge.com to learn more about how ear savers help frontline workers, and keep watching to see me print an ear saver. Normally, here is where I'd upload my design, but 2 free ear saver files were added to your Glowforge print library. If you don't see the files, just log out and log back in. One design is a full sheet of 77 ear savers, and the other design is a single ear saver. I'm going to be showing you the single design, but I'll be printing as many as I can to keep in my car to give to frontline workers that I see wearing masks. I'll be using a scrap piece from an earlier project of medium red proof grade acrylic. Normally, your Glowforge would take a photo of a QR sticker in the corner to automatically select settings, but it looks like I printed away the sticker part of this scrap piece, so I'll just select medium red acrylic proof grade settings. Now, I'll drag and drop my design into place. It's easy to use scrap material when you can place your design anywhere to fill the gaps. I said earlier this is red acrylic, but proof grade materials come with a protective masking you can peel off for the perfect print every time. Ear savers let frontline workers taking care of us wear masks comfortably, reducing the risk of damage from a mask that wasn't meant to be worn all day. Ear savers can help with adjusting a mask that isn't the correct size and can make all the difference. Share this with your friends and family who are frontline workers so they can get free ear savers at glowforge.com. Click the link in the description to request free ear savers, or sign up to help print ear savers for the frontline workers in your neighborhood who need your help.